Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I want to thank all the new subscribers for coming back to the channel. I also want to thank all the other people for keep watching my channel. I greatly appreciate it. I really hope you enjoyed the video, so please like, share, and leave a comment below. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day. Bye.
All right, the question was asked, how do you tell when a youngster is ready to be weaned? Okay, see how this guy here, you still got a little bit of, he's wet underneath the wings here, you can still see his flesh. You don't want to do that, okay? This one too is the same thing, right? This one here maybe, nope, these are all not quite ready yet. See, when they're fully feathered underneath the wings like this is when you tell when they're ready to be weaned off. So see, that one's got a lot of feathers underneath are missing. That one's are very, very close. You guys can see that or not? See if I can get a little closer here. Okay. See, he's very close to me and getting ready to wean. That one's not. That one's not. Okay, see, that one's very close too, see, but not quite yet. This little guy don't belong down here, but he's down here with everybody else. He's actually the same age as some of these guys up here. As you can see, the size difference between the two. Yeah, I don't know, he's just not quite normal. See the size difference between them? And the sad thing is these guys, he's the same age as some of these other ones in here, so, which is don't make no sense. See that? I still think there's something wrong with that little guy, so we'll have to see how he does. So, but anyways, he actually belongs up here in this nest. Why is he over there? I don't know, but I was in here just checking out the babies, make sure everybody's doing okay. Because it's cold out there today. It's right around 0 degrees, and it's supposed to be getting a lot colder here the next few days. It's supposed to get down to 14 below or so. But so you can see everybody in here is eating. They're a little nervous because I'm sitting here on the floor with them. So that's what happens when you get birds. You kind of like to see how everybody's doing. So everybody's doing really good. I'll show you the other ones in the other loft. So everybody in here is doing pretty good too. See, come here, you. See, like this guy here. See how he's fully feathered underneath? He could actually be weaned. But I'll probably leave him in here a few more days yet. But, you know, to make sure, so. But everybody in here doing good for youngsters. We got him, he's an excellent racer there. Truly long distance, he had broke his wing and he walked home from the race. The neighbors see him going down the road and brought him back to the guy that actually owned him, and he had plenty of birds, so he ended up, you know, giving them away. So needless to say, but these guys are doing pretty good too. They're all hitting right on this water-based heater here, so a little warmer down here for them, keeps them a little warmer. So, but some people are starting to make nests again. See, he's making a nest. There's making a nest in there. Another one in there. They're making nest bowls again, so which is a good thing. That's what we want. So, but I got ready to feed these guys. So I hope you like it. A little update there, and you know, helps explain what to do. So thanks for watching. I don't know if you see that, but see, this will help when you put the youngsters on the floor. It helps them learn how to eat out there with mom and dad. See, and last three here in the corner here. Last three in the bottom. The three there, and the last ones to eat. And we're the youngsters, so that's a good thing. And that's what we want to see. We want to see mom and dad trying to teach them how to eat, so that's what we want to see. That's why you gotta leave them, sometimes we'll leave them in here a little longer, but those guys there are not even fully feathered yet underneath the wing at all, so but that's a good thing. At least we learn how to eat, so with mom and dad.